Okay, we're going to take a break here from rekeying because I just discovered one of these deadbolts that I might mention is on a door, one of these two doors where the key wouldn't work in it, and this key isn't working in it. So we're going to shim this guy and then use space and depth keys to decode it. That way when we're picking these, we can just dial right into it. So it's just we dropped the spring in this one, so no big deal there. That way we don't have to blindly Lishi it. We could literally just dial it right in, or if you really wanted to, you could code cut a key, but I'm not going to waste a key for that because you can just Lishi it straight to those depths. Makes for a quick Lishi. Now these I am going to check for top pins too, but I might add, as far as the top pin thing goes, when you're dumping pins, it may not look like I'm doing it, but if I feel like I just dumped more than 5 pins out, then that's when I go back and check. So let's check this key. Definitely different. Let's check it to this. Definitely different. Let's grab our space and depth keys and decode this cylinder real quick. Let's see if we got any 8s in there. Yep, 8 at the end. Okay, so most of the other ones are kind of shallow. Looks like we got a 2 in the middle there, 2 in the 3 slot. So 7, 1, 7, 1, 2, 4 maybe, 4, 7, 1, 2, 4, was it 7 or 8? 8, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. Wait, did I say that right? 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, 7, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so it's upside down, number 1. There we go. Okay. Somebody put the detent on the wrong damn side. Detent's always supposed to be towards the bottom of the keyway, and it's not. Oh, what a moron. Okay, we'll get to drill a detent right there. Okay. Because this hole is supposed to always be on the underside of the key, if you put this back together with this turned the wrong way, you end up with this problem. Let me see the bottom of the keyhole. If you turn it, stops to the left. Turn it. If we turn it back, it would pick, which isn't a big deal because I know the bitting. But bottom of the keyhole is here. They put this on upside down. So basically, the only thing you can do in this case is follow this around to directly underneath. Center punch your hole and make another hole. Being careful not to punch through too hard. Yep. And this is what happens when you let idiots put stuff together and take stuff apart. And these are tough to deal with because you do have to squeeze them together. It's not so hard when it's on the door because you just do this, you know, a little bit. But yeah, this has to be turned a certain way too to make this work. There we go. And there's our retainer. No way to get to it if you do it that way, and that's why that thing wants to do what it does. So yeah, just come on people, put shit back together correctly if you're going to be working on stuff. So it worked. We already know what the bitting is for this. All we got to do is Lishi it because it's on correctly. So there's a quick tip.